let me tell you something, okay? So Dollar Tree got some nice items, okay? And you want to make sure you stick around, okay? Stick around. Stay for a while, friend, okay? We in this to the end. Yes, you and I, okay? Now let's get to it. Let's go. Have you seen these? Okay, please, my love. You see, I almost left my book. Totally forgot it over here. Have you seen these, though? Have you? Have you? Don't lie to me. We said the lion is for 2024. We are at the new year, 2025. No more lying, okay? No more lying. There shall be no more lies. All right, let's get into this. Let me know if you've seen this, okay? Have you seen these? Okay, Movie Groovy. This is the Auto Lip Liner. Okay, but honey, I got some more tea that you are going to want to see. Check me out. You check in? You check in? Check me out, okay? Well, maybe you want to check Dollar Tree out. Check them out. Carrying these around and one of them done failed. Child, I can't make this stuff up. Okay, let's move along, shall we? Okay, so first up, we're going to talk about this and do what it do, all right? So Dollar Tree has these mink lashes, 3D folks, okay? These come in different styles. Now, these ones I like, the black lace, those are kind of cute to me, okay? They not like really extremely long, okay? Honey, you got to do what works for you, all right? But they have a few, Peekaboo, Spotlight, Can, okay? Who remember the commercial with ShopRite that would be like Can? Do they even still play that commercial? I don't even know if they still even do can sales. Okay, listen, but what really caught my attention was this is giving me, I want to say like 60, 70 looks. Okay, LA Color Wildflowers. All right, this is $1.25. We're gonna go through this 1, 2, 3. Now they have, okay, these are the shadow sticks up here. All right, this is Fancy Pantsy Mancy. The Reborn is, oh wait, hold up, Rebloom. Okay, Rebloom is called. It's really cute. Twist and apply, really nice. They also have the Pretty Rosy, really cute. Easy Daisy, Spring Fling. Okay, and this one is Frilly Lily. Okay, now my fave. Guess which one is my fave? Just guess. Okay, it would definitely be the Rebloom. Okay, definitely, hands down. Now, they also have the Auto Eyeliner. Now, one of the things that I love about the Auto Eyeliner is that you don't have to sharpen it. Okay, you do not have to sharpen, or do you have, because I don't think you have to sharpen this. I think you just twist. Glides on smooth. Is this the one you gotta sharpen? Oh, yeah. See, no sharpening needed. You know, at first I had to question myself. All right? Honey, don't be questioning yourself. Now, they also have, these are lip crayons. Okay? This is really cool. San Fran. This is Twist and Apply. San Fran. Boho. Okay? Peace and Love. I'm not going to tell you when I first started YouTube, that was my channel, Peace and Love. They also have Savage over here, Groovy Pink, and Wild Child. Okay, Wild Child, honey. And then they also have Untamed. This is pretty much the lip glosses down here. Untamed, Secret Garden. This is definitely giving me 70 themes, okay, with the flip. You know, the flip with the hair. Okay, definitely. With the colorful shirts. What was that movie? That Ashton, not movie, it was a sitcom. Was it 70s? That Ashton Kutcher used to play in. Okay, it was a sitcom. It was really good. They also have the Wildflower. This one is cute. Wildcraft is also, it looks okay. Untamed, I want to say my favorite is definitely Wildflower. They also have the lip glosses down here, Dragon Fruit. Okay, what else? This is Strawberry, $1.25. Dragon Fruit, Watermelon. Okay, Lassie, don't get me the lion. And Coconut, $1.25. Peace, family. Peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get your day. Your life is going to get better once your perception gets better. So today we are at Dollar Tree in a place to be. We are at Fairview New Jersey, okay? Now listen, one of the things you have to understand about life, honey, you're gonna have to grow, okay? You are going to have to grow. You're going to have to get out of your comfort zone. Let me tell you something. When I first started coming to the different Dollar Trees, at first I was a little nervous, right? Because it was something I never done before. But the more I did it, the more comfortable I got at it, okay? So get out of your comfort zone. Let's see what they have inside. Listen, Linda, you listening? Because I'm going to need you to listen up, okay? I'm going to need you to get this, okay? 1, 2, 3. Dollar Tree in the place to be. And we deliver and we moving our feet to the beat. That's it, okay? Have you seen this? Have you seen? All right, so have you seen it? What is it? Because you said you seen it, so what is it? If you seen it, what is it? All right, honey, I'm just joking, okay? So this is the lasting lip color Rouge, okay? 8-hour color, all right? Honey, get into it and do it. Now, Dollar Tree has a few of these, and you know, sometimes when it comes to the lip color, I just be, you know, Dollar Tree, is it really good? Because you guys remember a few months ago, okay? I was in here trying that lipstick out that I purchased. Okay, but maybe this is good. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you guys tried that. Now, this is my first time ever seeing that. I have never seen that a day in my life. Okay, I don't know that lip color from a milk carton. Okay, you get what I'm saying? Never seen it before. Now, Dollar Tree got some other items. Let's get into it. Okay, so Dollar Tree has the LA Colors Conceal Correct. I don't remember seeing this. All right, well, it says right there, new look. Okay, so I guess they had it before, but this just is a new look. Okay, they also have, where is it? Oh, the Exfoliate and Lip Serum. So I'm guessing that they putting this in all the Dollar Trees. This is a new product. Be Pure Pineapple Extract and Vitamin E. Okay, so they had a few of these, but I only see at this location they just have one. They probably had the other ones, but honey, sometimes when you come to the Dollar Tree, you definitely got to move your feet to the beat, because the people out in these Dollar Tree streets, honey, they will buy this stuff like no tomorrow, okay? Like it's going out of style. You hear me? Now, Dollar Tree also have the travel brushes. It is 3 pieces in a mirror for $1.25. They come in different colors. Well, at this location, they just have the 2, the green and also the pink. They also have these retinol hydrogel under eye pads, 1 pair for $1.25. They also have the Hydrate and Collagen face mask, watermelon, okay, by Bio Miracle, I think this is. Or is it by Naturals? Probably by Naturals. Okay, this is $1.25. I don't know if that really supposed to be there. Okay. Now, Dollar Tree also have this LA Colors crayon, lip crayon. Now, this is called Savage. Now, they had a few of these at the previous Dollar Tree that I was at. Okay, but at this one, this is pretty much the only one that they have. And I don't know if that one goes over there or not, but somebody sure put it there. Now, if you are a person that's looking for a nice liquid blush, okay, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. Really, really cool. This is Warm Rose, and then they also have this bright orange, okay, and this is Rosetta, okay, $1.25. Can somebody say still deal like Holyfield? All right, essentially ageless blue face primer, okay, Dollar Tree has by Be Pure, and this is $1.25. All right, so if you're a person that's looking for, you know, a foundation such as a matte foundation, Dollar Tree definitely has it. This is medium tan color spell. This is $1.25. Okay, now when I had seen this at first, I said, "Ooh, child, that is definitely not my color." Okay, Dollar Tree, you're gonna have to come correct when you're dealing with me. Okay, all right. Medium tan they have. Okay, and it has like the little compact mirror, and it also have the foundation with the brush. So my oldest son, he at my house, you see they have it, and he was like that he wanted some of the Hot Pockets, the cheeseburger Hot Pockets. I didn't even bring a bag, okay? Let me get these Hot Pockets for him. You know, he always sending me on these missions like this. Okay, honey child, all right? They're $1.25 though, okay? All right, so let me get a few of these for him. You know, I done told the kid, I called him, I said, you know what, none of the Dollar Trees had it, okay? You see they had it, the cheeseburger, Hot Pockets. It's so confusing at times, because one minute he said, I don't eat that one, I don't eat this one. And he eat all the Hot Pocket ones, okay? Honey. Okay, so I'm going to get about 6 of these. 2, 4, 6. Okay, do you guys eat these Hot Pockets? I like these. The banquet chicken pot pies. I don't even see it. I don't even think they have any more. Oh, child, they don't. Oh, I remember when I was a kid, my aunt, she would make these. Oh my goodness, it would be snowy days and she would put these in the oven. Oh my goodness, honey, so good. All right, I don't know, I think they're $1.25, but I don't even see anymore. Honey, let's move on. Move our feet to the beat. So if you're a person that has like a lot of items that you want, you want a hanger and you want to put it over the door, Dollar Tree definitely has over the hanger hooks. These are $1.25. And to me, this is definitely a steal deal like Holyfield, okay, for $1.25. Where are you going to get that? They also have over the door hooks. These are $1.25 as well, styling and definitely profiling. Now, Dollar Tree definitely has their pinwheels, outdoor fun. This is, honey, pretty much every Dollar Tree. Okay, they summer ready. They act like summer is literally, like summer was like a few months ago. I know you thought that I was going to say summer is in a few months. No, but Dollar Tree, the way they bring their stuff out, their items out, like summer is, it passed already. Okay, all right. They also have all the Easter items. Oh, this is cute. These notebooks over here. Oh gosh, this is really, really nice. Peace, love, good vibes. Really, really cute. And I always tell you guys to come to Dollar Tree and get like your notebooks and stuff, your journals, because this is really a steal deal like Holyfield, okay? Look at this. Is this Pac-Man? Okay, honey, I will beat you. I will demolish you in Pac-Man, okay? All right, they also have the solar systems over here. Really, really cute. $1.25. Really nice. What else they have? Oh, I think that's pretty much it. Oh, wait, hold up. The flowers. This is cute. $1.25 as well. Let's move our feet to the beach, shall we? Okay, so if you're a person that's looking for Easter items, Dollar Tree definitely has them. They have the plushes over here, these little stuffed teddies. They also have the egg picks down at the bottom. Okay, really, really cool. And then they also have the treat bags with twist ties over here, 20 pieces, the garland, really nice. They also have the pillowcases, honey. You better think twice, okay? All right. No, I never tried the pillowcases. Maybe they good. If you have, let me know if they were, how were they, okay? But they look fancy, mancy. They have the pink one, that's for the girls, and then the blue one for the boys, okay? I know you guys like, oh my goodness, really, Dina? They also have the stacked crayons over here. Who remember these back in the day? And the pencils. Oh my goodness, you was a fancy one if you had the stacked crayons, okay? They also have the garland over here, $1.25. And then they also have the 2 basket bags, which are $1.25 as well. They also have the decor over here, $1.25. And Dollar Tree, come on, this looks like a red. Okay, this is $1.25. The mini carrots they have, $1.25. And this is pretty much what they have, for the Easter. Now, they have some more other items over there. They also have the outdoor fun $1.25 butterfly net. Okay. Honey, Dollar Tree is definitely doing it. Peeps flavored lip balm that comes grape, vanilla, and also cotton candy. Child, moving the feet to the beat. Really, really cool. Now, when it comes to outdoors, they already have it. The egg chark. You get 8 charks for $1.25. They also have the gooey, $1.25. Goofy string, $1.25. Honey, get into the black Barbies, okay? Fashion dolls, $1.25. Car chalk, anyone, $1.25. Still deal like Holyfield. Now, they also have the animal bubble blower. Okay, these are so cute. $1.25. Oh my goodness, these Hot Pockets are so cold. They also have the bubbles over here. You get 3 for $1.25 as well. And who remember the hula hoops back in the day? Okay, honey, did you rock the hula hoops? Did you do the hula hoops? Was you a hula hoop type girl? Okay, or a jump rope? Did you do the double dutch? Honey, if you didn't do the double dutch, I don't know, okay? Because I did used to do some double dutch, okay? All right, so if you are looking for some more Easter items, Dollar Tree definitely has it and a place to be. This is pretty much their decor, and get into it. Honey, I'm a details girl. All right, really, really cool. Happy Easter. Hippity hop. I know that's right. You better hopscotch, okay? Really, really cool. Cottontail Carrot Farm. Dollar Tree is doing it. And then they also have the gnomes over here. Somebody gonna try to tell me in the comments, those are not gnomes. Girl, they were gnomes, okay? And you see, I listened. I was like, oh, really? They are gnomes, okay? This is in your face, okay? Dollar Tree is going to be on your case. You get what I'm saying? Now, Dollar Tree also have these decor baskets over here. These are $1.25. They also have more decor down at the bottom. Happy Easter with a bunny. Really, really cute. All right, family, let's go to checkout, shall we? Oh, these headbands. Okay, let me show you these headbands real quick before I go. So I had showed these headbands, some of these last time, because they was at the Dollar Tree located next to my house when I first seen these. Okay, we had purchased this. Well, I purchased this one. I thought this was like 3 individual clips, but this is one big clip. Okay, $1.25. Absolutely love this. They also have these headbands right here, silver, and then they also have the gold one. All right, I purchased the silver and gold one. Okay, really, really cute. So this is pretty much their new hair line collection, okay, that I want to say the accessories, pretty much. Sophie. Okay, so they have the hair products over here, Sophie, the butterfly, really, really cool. They have the scrunchies over here, the 4-piece elastics, okay, with the flowers, really, really cool, really nice. The claw clips, honey, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. And I am Dina, the MC, okay? Get into it and let's do it. All right, so if you was looking for some oversized sunglasses, Dollar Tree definitely has them. They come in different colors, okay? So they have the brown and black. They also have this pink, okay? And this color up here, this peachy looking color. These are $1.50. All right, family, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and I catch you guys on a drop of the dime on the next one. With that being said, enjoy your day, okay? And know, honey, once you say hey, okay, your day is going to be better, okay? All right? Until next time, peace.